students. Hello students, today we will be talking about a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, changes in matter. In this we will be studying about what is matter. The first question arises in your mind probably, that is, what is matter? What can be considered as a matter? So here we are having a definition what can be the matter. We can also find a matter is a form of energy which has the property of mass and occupies space at a particular time. Means matter, whatever thing in our surrounding, whether a pencil, dust particle, chalk, whatever the component which we are able to see in our surroundment, whether they are in a small particles, solid, liquid, gas, whatever the sort of particles it may be. So whatever it is there, if it is acquiring some space or some place, or it is having definite shape, it can be considered as a matter. So whatever you can see, that is considered as a matter. So what is matter? Matter is all those things which can be visible or invisible, or a thing or element which can be seen by your naked eye. So that can be considered as a matter. There are a lot of examples. Even the dust particle is also a matter. Okay, moving further, matter is classified into three groups. What are those three groups? Element, compound, and mixture. What are those three groups? Element, compound, and mixture. So what is then element? So let's do the element. Element, when matter is made up of just one kind of atom. Atom is a very smallest particle by which any substance is made up of. So that atom, when combines together, same kind of atoms combines together, they will form atom. Oh, sorry, element. Like gold. If we break gold into number of small pieces, still it will be going to be a gold or not? Okay. Same with the iron, same with the aluminium, same with the copper, same with the chalk. If we break chalk in a very small particle, it is gonna be the chalk. Okay. So whatever things we break in a very smaller particle and it won't change, that is element. Okay. Now coming to the compound. When matter is made up of two or more kind of atom that is stable and cannot be separated, means there should be two types of atom. Like the best example is water. Water is made up of, the formula of water is H2O. Okay, I had told you in the previous chapter, the formula of water is H2O. So here it is having hydrogen plus oxygen, means two different types of atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. So when hydrogen and oxygen, two different types of atoms are there, still we cannot separate water. Can we separate water? No, water cannot be separated. So when there are two different types of atom and which cannot be separated, it will be considered as an compound. So compound is a substance which cannot be separated. It should be having two or more than two atoms together. Okay. Now next is mixture. So what is mixture? When two or more element and compound come together but can easily be separated, means there are more than two or three compounds together, and together they are considered as a mixture. So that mixture can be separated as well. Like the best example of mixture is air. Air is having a lot of gases, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, helium, lot of gases are mixed together. That is also example. Milk is our example. Milk having a protein, vitamins, nutrients, various types of nutrients, vitamin A, vitamin B. Milk also can be a mixture. Yeah, and you can prepare mixture at your home as well. Take some chalk, take some sand, or you can take flour, cereals you can mix together. So when more than one or two compounds combine together, they form mixture. So we have learned matter. So matter is of three kinds, divided into three: element, compound, and mixture. Element, it is the purest form, smallest form, and the substance is made up of one type of atom. Compound more than one type of atom, that is two atoms, cannot be separated. But mixture made up of many kinds of atoms and can be separated too. Okay, so this is about matter. Okay, now state of matter. How we can find matter can be found in the nature in various forms. Those forms are considered as a state of matter. How matter we can get? So matter, if you found look around yourself and you found things into three forms only. So they are known as states of matter. What are those three forms? Solid, liquid and gas. Whatever you can see, it may be in a form of solid, it may be form of a liquid, it may be in a form of gas. Gas usually we do not see, smoke we can see, it also in a form of gas. Liquid, water, milk, juices, drinks, all are liquid. And solid, you can hold on the things in your hands, they are all solids. Okay, so solids you can see. Now what is solid? Basically solid, in the solid, molecules are too much close to each other. You can see in the figure itself, the box, it is having small particles. They are all closely in contact with each other, tightly packed. When these things are tightly packed, it cannot be moved, so they have definite shape. Their shape is fixed, it cannot be changed just because of the particles or atoms which are present into it. They are very close to each other. They are that much close that it forms a regular shape. Okay, so that state is when the particles are having very tightly packed close to each other, there is no space between them, like in this figure, they are considered as a solid. Now coming to the next one. Now this figure you can see the molecules are bit away from each other, thoda thoda dur hai. So in this case, if they are a little bit of far away from each other, that simply means they can move among themselves, they can move a bit here and there. Due to this, the substance do not have a fixed shape. Now if the substance is not having the fixed shape, that means it can float. So this is the case of a liquid. When there is intercellular space or space between the particles is little bit more than that of solid, the thing considered or comes in the form of liquid. So these are the arrangement of particles. Okay, so their molecules are bit weak, थोड़ा सा कमजोर होते हैं, that's why they are away from each other, they cannot bind themselves together. Due to this, the particles stays away from each other. Hence, how the matter look like? Matter look like liquid. It can, that thing can float because the molecules are not that much tightly pegged, so they can float, they can move from one place to another. Okay, and even though we can insert things into it, like this is the reason why when we mix sugar into the water, it get mixed and we cannot see. So in this particular space, that sugar particles get inside it, and we see where the sugar is gone in the syrup. It get mixed in or comes in the place between these particles. There is a space, so sugar molecules get adjusted into that particle, and when we mix in the water the sugar, we find that the sugar get disappeared. Understood? This is the state of liquid. Now the last stage is gas. Now look into the particles of the gas. They are too far away from each other. That much far away from each other that even though we cannot see with our naked eye. इतने दूर होते अपने नेकेड आई से देख नहीं सकते हैं, और उनके बीच में जो अट्रैक्शन होता है दैट इज काइंड ऑफ वीक attraction. That's why they move from one place to another. They used to move from one place to another and float from here and there. And due to this, we can move between the air. हम हवा में चलते हैं ना, air is around us, but still we are moving between the air just because of these particles are away from each other. This is all we have studied about, right? Solid, liquid and gas, three states of matter. Now these are the certain terms that you must be keep in your mind. Heat, form of energy; vaporization, evaporation, converting of liquid into gas or adding that much temperature by which this liquid is converted into gas. Evaporation. Sublimation, when solid changes directly into gas without undergoing the process of liquid. Okay. Freezing, when we lower the temperature a lot due to which molecules comes closer to each other and freezes to form ice, that we used to do in the refrigerator. And boiling, when we give too much of temperature to any substance due to which the particles start moving from each other, that is known as boiling. So these are the terms which plays important role in the conversion of solid into liquid, liquid into gas, or gas into solid, or gas into liquid. Okay, this is all for the day. Today we have studied regarding the state of matter and what are the temperature can do to them. Okay. This is all for the day. Thank you very much.